All right, what do we got here? A Barra. We're just going to do a quick little mod because we might use this on something else. So this is a BF gassy. We're just going to give it a quick little drain. Oh, that's already loose. We're going to give it a drain, and when we look at what. I knew it was only running on 5 cylinders, but what's this? I think we found the problem. What's going on here? Yeah, this is... Oh, look, there is some oil. Who ordered a caramel latte? Look at the colour of it. What on earth? That's stuffed.
Wow.
Alright, so I was just preparing to take some parts off this spare engine, and it appears that it's cactus. So yeah, I've just undone the nut, the sump bolt. Wow. I'm beyond words. I think this engine ran on 5 cylinders, so that makes sense. All right, let's take the sump off this and check out how much of a banana milkshake is happening. Oh, it's already coming off. All right, well, that's what we want. To give it a little tapper. Let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, it's caught down here. We're almost there, I swear. Oh, wow. Alright. Who wanted the banana? It's not a latte.
Custard pie.
Custard pie. This ain't no latte. This is the full banana cheesecake. It's liquid. Oh, is there some chunks? I think there is.
Yeah, look at the pickup.
Oh, no. Who ordered? Oh, it's a rubber seal. Oh, so look, that would have blocked the oil passage. There's pieces. Like, that's a solid washer. I think this Barra has an oil problem. What do you reckon? Yes? Or no? Clean up, aisle 5. Oh well, that's Barra-tastic.
Stop recording.
We can see that the head gaskets are blown. It had no coolant in it, and we're trying to work out what went wrong.